Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again.
Todong and Langga. Let's give them a round of applause. That was one beautiful dance. Thank you so much. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the one who's responsible for the choreography, the one and the only, Mr. B-Boy Paday. Okay. Our dearest Langga, let's give her a round of applause. Thank you. That was truly beautiful. And your looks, your different looks for tonight make me so crazy about all of these things. And of course, whenever Langga would change her wardrobe, our dearest Dodong would change too. Did you observe that? Palakpakan naman po natin. Because they deserve it. You please, baby, as I always say it, please pay it forward. Learn to save, not only for your future, but of course for your family. Now, I'm gonna call all our 18 Blue Bills personalities. Sa lahat po ng aming tatawagin, please, okay, please join our dearest Langga here in front. Ladies and gentlemen, we have Mr. Aggie Morales, Ms. Maribel Bustamante, Ms. Annabelle Aguilar, Mr. Rene Ansing, Mr. Val Santos Matubang, Ms. Edna Matubang, Mr. Regan Banyares, Mr. Albi Lico, Mr. Alex Librada, Mr. John Rivera, Ms. Marila Del Rosario, Ms. Brooks Matubang, Mr. Roel Awe Matubang Sr., Cap Jimmy Arevalo, the Armo Kagawad Beach Largo Abuyo, Mr. Junie Barce, Ms. Jocelyn Camacho, ay Ms. Claribel Arevalo. Lahat po ng aming tinawag ay aming pong nais makasama dito sa unahan upang ating pong... personalities. Yung iba po, maaari po ba sa kabila?
Welcome to adulthood. Welcome to legality ng buhay ng isang dalaga. Dasal namin sa iyo ang more subscribers.
And your gift po, okay. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, we are encouraging the prosperity of our dearest Langga. Thank you so much. Kuya Albi, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Thank you, baby. How about, of course, the other side? Thank you so much, everybody, for being so lovable. We are having this way because everyone